Okay, so when we first started teaching MATLAB, all user-defined functions needed to be in their very own M file as a function by itself, and that was it, just the function. However, over the years, MathWorks has upgraded and updated the software to now. Well, at first, in the live editor, you could put all of your user-defined functions at the very end of the file and have everything contained within one file. And that only worked in the live editor. But now, with the latest versions of MATLAB, you can even do that in an M file. So that's the only way I want to teach this now, is because I really don't like separate M files for the functions, because that means that I have to download 20 some odd files from every student when I do the grading. Whereas if they're at the bottom of the file, I download one file and everything is there for me. So to do that, just come down to the end of your file, do a cell, and it's two % signs followed by a space, and then just put all your functions below that. Okay, and then do all the other work, all your other work up here in the top. So when you're creating a function, and especially in this method now, you will start off with the word function. You will put in the name of your variable that will be your return variable. This is whatever you assign to this variable will be returned to the main portion of your file. Okay, if you want more than one return, just put square brackets around it. Okay, and then put an equal sign, and then the name of your function. And it must be a valid MATLAB variable name. And then inside of parentheses, your variables. And again, if you want more than one variable, just enter them all into there. Okay, and then you come in and do whatever you want. So we're going to say result is equal to A times B divided by C. Okay, and then location is going to be, again, I'm just making this stuff up. So A dot raised to the B dot raised to the C. You'll do whatever you need to in the problem itself. You can create global variables in here if you want. H equals 9, and then use that down here. All of the rules and stuff from doing normal code works also in functions. However, this variable will only be local to the function. It will not be usable outside of the function. Okay, and once you're done, you must finish it with an end. That tells MATLAB that the function is complete, done, finished. There am no more to it. And then when you get ready, you come up with your next function. Just start here, and I like using results because I know that that's something that's going to be returned. Oops. Okay. So now you just come up here. Would you quit hitting that one? Go over here. And you call your functions. See, we had a test me, and I had 3 numbers, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And if we run that code, let's clear everything and clean it up, and And so there's our return. That is 9 times 2 times 3 times divided by 4. Now, if we want to get the second variable out of that, it's just like the max command. You just assign to 2 outputs. Two, 3, 4. And so this one does the second calculation. Okay, does that make sense? Any questions on that?
Can I look at your functions real quick? Sorry, I'm trying to copy you and I'm getting the same
Copy
thing.
me. That's not okay. That's fine. So we can do the same thing in a live editor. Okay, and you'll notice right there it automatically kicked that into its own cell because it's a function. The functions go at the bottom, and again, you run this section here, and you notice the results in the live editor come inside of this file instead of in the command window.